Welcome back, everyone. Stop everything you're doing right now, because what I'm about to show you isn't just a luxury SUV. It's a rolling piece of engineering art that will reprogram your definition of power, luxury, and presence. This is the 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63P 850. And honestly, I thought I'd seen it all. But this hit me like a thunderbolt. Look at it, just look. These aren't just carbon fiber body panels, they're armor, sculpted by the gods of performance. Every sharp edge, every carbon detail, it's not showing off. It's declaring war on boring design. The grille alone, it doesn't intimidate, it dominates. And these massive 24-inch forged wheels, they're not rolling, they're flexing, wrapped in ultra-performance rubber that grips the road like claws on concrete. Step inside, and the entire mood changes. This cabin isn't just luxurious, it's a sanctuary of silence and perfection. The hand-stitched leather hugs you like it knows you. Diamond-quilted seats adjust so precisely, you'd swear the car read your mind. The ambient lighting? Not lighting, vibes. It's like stepping into a $10,000 a night suite on wheels. Now brace yourself, because what's under the hood is pure madness wrapped in velvet. A Mansory-tuned AMG V8 biturbo. 850 horsepower. Let that sink in. When you floor it, it's like time hesitates, the earth shakes, and then boom! You're launched forward in a luxury freight train doing a rocket impersonation. And the sound? Oh my god. It's not noise, it's automotive opera in V8. But raw power isn't everything. Inside, you're piloting a spaceship. Twin 12.8-inch displays float like holograms. MBUX reacts to your voice before you finish your sentence. The 360-degree cameras, so sharp you could count your eyelashes. The steering wheel? It doesn't just respond, it listens. It's alive, electric, connected. And let's talk about those rear captain's chairs. This isn't a second row. It's first class on Emirates, but with wheels. Massage functions that make actual spas jealous, climate zones that adapt to you, and personal entertainment screens that make you forget this is even a car. Storage, trunk space, massive, and still wrapped in Mansory's signature style. Gear changes through that 9G Tronic transmission, smooth, intelligent, like it's thinking 2 steps ahead. This isn't a vehicle, it's an experience. It's what happens when art, science, and adrenaline sit at the same table. At just under $300,000, the 2026 Mansory GLS 63P 850 doesn't just raise the bar, it is the bar. So if you thought luxury SUVs had limits, think again.